Good night, guys. Good night. Welcome back to your girl Deb's Kitchen vlog. Yes, guys, I don't know how to make a video in a long time. Yes, but tonight I not too long came home from work and I'm hungry. And I make me a little one-pot meal. Oops. Yes, I got my sausage. Yes, I already washed them off. My hands are clean, guys. I have a little corned beef right there and some seasoning. I got a bit of pepper, onion. Yeah. What I have, I use it. Okay. Yes. I don't really like carrot like that, but I use this. And I got my little pumpkin mix right there, and my seasoned Creole, and my natural season, and my little Maggi all purpose. Yes, guys, I have that in the cupboard. So, guys, just stick and see and watch what I want, yeah? One pot meal. This is a hungry meal, one pot meal for me. Quick and easy. So, guys, just stick and stay. Remember, only God and time. One Father God, and never two. Guys, keep it lock. Yes, guys. I'm cutting up the seasoning now. That's good, yeah. You cut them too fine. Yeah. Garlic. So, I got my onion, my bell peppers, see, orange, red, and green, and my onion and my garlic. So, guys, just stick and stay. I'll be right back when I'm done, guys. Okay, that is it, guys. My orange bell pepper, my red, my onion, my green bell pepper, my scallion, my garlic. Yes, guys, that is it. I'm gonna put it in the pot now and get it started. So, guys, just stick and stay and watch what I want. So, I'm taking out my sausage now. I want it to side out. I have some juice in there, guys. Yeah. That flavor of the sausage is in the oil. So in the oil, gonna go in the rice and flavor. Okay, that enhances the flavor too. See, it is crispy as I want it. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove a little, flame a little bit. I'm gonna add my garlic right here. Then I'm putting my onions and all my seasoning, guys. Yeah. So what my God. Now we have when I go all that there in the bottom. Little see from the sausage. See? You see that burnt? No? That's flavor, guys. That's flavor. Guys, you can see and keep it locked. God on time. So yes, my season is sauteed. And I'm going to add some chicken stock to that. Guys. Yes, I don't have any coconut milk. So I'm using some chicken stock to help with the flavor. More. If you want your food to taste good, you gotta flavor it, guys. Yes. I'm putting that in there. Make that cook for a bit. I'm gonna put my frozen vegetable. I'm not cooking a lot of rice now, guys. Yeah. So you can see, guys, I'm gonna put my season in, my complete season, my Creole season, and my little my Maggi all purpose, guys. When I come back, guys, me putting in the rice, the sausage, and yeah, the gooey. Alright, guys. As you can see, it's boiling up right now. As I said, I have my pumpkin flavor. It's a fruit mix, but it's just part of it stuff, guys. You want that pumpkin flavor, guys. I'm putting a little bit in there, not the old pack. Yeah. I can use the old pack too, but that's alright. I already got color, you see the color? Yeah, want that flavor from the pumpkin. Yeah. So guys, I can add my rice to it right now, because I know the flavor is right, because that's all it wanted, just a little soup flavor. Let me taste it. So, as I say, that's all it wanted. Put in my rice in. So they must use fat, but this is a one pot meal for rice. Soft, it's soft, but that's not gonna be soft. Don't eat like me. I'm just hungry, guys. You know, when somebody's hungry. This guy. I need a fork for real. That's what I'm used to. It was right here. That's what I'm used to. This guys. Guys, when I come back, guys, I'm gonna put the corned beef in and the sausage, guys. You know, so keep it there, guys. And my sausage to it, guys. I'm putting all the flavors. I don't care what it is. Run right in my pot. One pot. Everything in the pot. I wait until this point to put the corned beef in, and also the sausage, guys. You can spread evenly, you know. And this is got my flavor. It don't boil out in all in the rice, you know. I'm gonna like fold it, fold it in. Gotta turn the stove down, guys. Right, turn it down. Just fold it in. See that, guys? Come back, it's nice, beautiful rice, one pot meal. Turn it down, guys, let it steam. One pot meal, okay? Yes. Guys, gotta look at my rice now. First, I just do everything at once, cover it up. And then this is my first, as you can see, my first fluff of my rice, guys. The first fluff of my rice. Look at that, guys. We want nothing else. Everything that stay there. Oops, don't do that. For a while. Yeah. So it's all cooked, guys. Look at that. Look at there. Look there, guys. Girl, go show what our plate now. Yeah. The earthly effort, guys. I forgot to buy me some chicken wings to make some chicken wings, but that's alright. This is good. It's enough for me. I'm gonna take a taste and see, guys. Look at that. Look. Look. Catch it? Catch it? Yeah. Yeah. Look there. I'm telling you, man, this is good. So, guys, this is it. That is it, guys. See? Deb's seasoned rice with corned beef and sausage. Yep, my way. Okay, guys? My way. Stick and sing. Watch what I want. One love.